everyone! I will be discussing about exponential function for all of you. What is exponential function? When do you say, is it exponential function? Simply, exponential function is a function whose value is a constant raised to the function where the constant is e. The formula for exponential function is y is equal to b raised to x, where b is the base and while x is the exponent. In exponential function, the base should be constant and it must not be equal to 1, even less than 1, because when your base is 1, automatically your answer should be equal to 1. Your exponent should be variable, and it's okay if your exponent has a constant, because your exponent variable must be changed into the given number of f of x. And lastly, it's okay if your exponent is negative, because in exponential function, negative should be changed into numerator 1. I will give you some examples of exponential function, with their solutions for all you to know and to understand what's all about exponential function and how to solve it. For the first example, f of x is equal to 3 raised to x in f of 2. So what is f of 2 mean? Simply, whenever we see an x in this example was replaced by 2. So let's change f of x to f of 2. Where f of 2 is equal to 3 raised to 2 or 3 squared. If we are going to evaluate this example, we can get the answer 9 because we only need to multiply 3 power of 2. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. For the second example, we use a negative exponent. F of x is equal to 4 raised to negative x in f of 2. Wherever we see an x, replace it into 2. So it looks like this now. F of 2 is equal to 4 raised to negative 2. For the next step, we only need to change the negative into the value of 1 as a numerator. And 4 will be the denominator and 2 is the power of 4. For the next step, we only need to copy the numerator, which is 1, and multiply 4 into its power, which is 2. So 4 times 4 is equal to 16. So the answer must be 1 over 16. For the last example, let's make our f of x be a fraction. F of x is equal to 25 raised to x in f of 3 over 2. Wherever we see an x, replace it into 3 over 2. For the next step, the denominator 2 will be the root and the numerator 3 is the power. So we must write 25 raised to 3 or 25 cubed and take the square root and it will look like this now. Or we must also write this 1 because they both generate the same answer, and the important thing is the root is squared and the power is cubed. To get the answer, we must need to get the root of 25, which is 5, and cube it. And it will be looks like this. So we can get 125 because 5 power of 3 is equal to 125. 5 times 5 times 5 is equal to 125. Thank you for watching and listening. I hope you had learned what I had discussed all of you about exponential function. Thank you.